Hi boys and girls, I am Auntie Sandra and today we are going to practice to blend our short sound I words by adding the magic E or the silent E to form new words. The magic E or the silent E is going to change the short sound to let the E say its name, I. So the E is going to say its name I after we add the magic E at the end of the word. Let's begin. So the word is in pin. In pin. When we add the magic E at the end of the word, it is no longer going to say E, it is now going to say I. So we are going to add our magic E at the end of the word, and it is now going to say I, the long sound. So the word is now ein, pine. So in pin is now changed to ein, pine. In din. When we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to be I, n. Dine. So in din is now changed to ein, dine. Lim. When we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is going to be changed to I. Lime. Magic E, let the vowel say its name. Lime. Dim. When we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to change to I. Dime. Magic E, let the vowel say its name. So dim is now changed to dime. Our next word is bit. When we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to change to bite. The magic E, let the E says its name, which is I. Bite. Our next word is kit. When we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to change to kite. So our magic E, let the E says I. So kit is now going to change to kite. And remember, we will never sound the magic E at the end of the word. It is silent. Good job. Our next word is rid. When we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to change to ride. Ride. Good job. Sid. When we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to change to I. The magic E, let the vowel say its name, which is I. Side. Sid is now changed to side. Rip. When we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to change to ripe. So rip is now changed to ripe. Good job. The next word is spit. when we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to change to sp, I. Sp, I, t. Sp, I, t, spite. Sp, it, to spit is now changed to sp, I, t, spite. Our next word is sl, id, slid. Sl, id, slid. After we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now sl, I. Sl, I'd, slide. The magic E, let the E say its name, which is I. Sl, I'd, slide. Good job. Our next word is grip, grip. After we add our magic E at the end of the word, it is now going to change to I. The magic E, let the E say its name, which is I. I, gripe. So, p in pin is now changed to, did you say p-ein, pine? Wow, good job. D in din is now changed to, did you say d-ein, dine? Awesome. L im lim. After we add our magic E at the end, it is now, did you say l-im, lime? Awesome. D im dim. After we add our magic E at the end, it is now, did you say d-im, dime? Terrific. B it bit is now changed to, did you say b-it bite? Good job. K it kit is now changed to, did you say k-it kite? Wow, amazing. Id rid is now changed to, did you say I'd ride? Awesome. Id sid is now changed to, did you say I'd side? Wonderful. Ip rip is now changed to, did you say I'p ripe? Wow, awesome. Sp it spit is now changed to, did you say sp-it spite? Good job. Sl id slid is now changed to, did you say sl-id slide? Awesome. Grip grip is now changed to, did you say gripe gripe? Wow, awesome. Give yourselves a round of applause. And please remember that when we add our magic E at the end of the word, our magic E, let the vowel say its name. All I need you to do now is to keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.